Now that we have Next.js installed, let's navigate into our app directory. I've named my app NextMap, so we'll use cd nextmap to enter it. If you're following along and using Visual Studio Code like I am, you can quickly open it from the command prompt with the command code. This command instantly launches VS Code in the current directory. Now let's dive into the structure of our Next.js project. Understanding how it's organized is crucial. We'll start by taking a closer look at the app folder. This directory houses all the routing-related files and components vital to our application. In this folder, we will define layouts, pages, loading UI, error UI, and route templates. This foundation is key to building powerful dynamic web applications with Next.js. Moving on, we encounter the public folder, your repository for all static assets, including images. Meanwhile, the Node Modules folder is auto-generated by npm, housing the array of external libraries and dependencies your application relies on to operate seamlessly. Now let's explore a few essential files in your project. The git-ignore file allows you to specify which files and folders should be excluded from Git version control. Then there's the package.json file, where all project dependencies are listed, and it defines scripts for tasks like launching the development server, which we'll do shortly. The rest of the files primarily serve as configuration files. Now let's shift our focus to the app folder. The app folder serves as a pivotal component of your application structure, playing a pivotal role in managing routing, layout, and essential user interface components. Understanding the nuances of this folder is key to mastering Next.js development. To kick things off, let's fire up the development server. If you're in your project folder, simply type npm run dev in your command prompt. You have the option to open a terminal within VS Code and execute your commands there. Personally, I prefer using the Windows command prompt because it allows for more screen real estate in the code editor. But the choice is yours. Let's see the results in action. To view our app, simply open your browser and navigate to localhost 3000. This is our app's homepage, generated by the page.js file nestled within the app folder. It's where everything starts to come together. Let's make a quick change. We'll clear everything within this main section and replace it with a straightforward H1 that says, "This is the home page." Take a look at your browser, and there it is. This page you see is the home page of our application, as defined by the page.js file located in the app folder. Additionally, we have the layout.js file responsible for setting the overall structure and styling of our application. Keep in mind that you can have multiple layout files in your application, and the one we are currently examining is known as the root layout file. Understanding how layouts work is crucial for creating responsive and aesthetically pleasing web applications with Next.js. Let's dive into some customization. We'll change the metadata and see the instant impact. For the page title, let's make it Ride Request App. As for the description, how about an app for mastering Next.js, Supabase, and the Google Maps API? Now, if you look at the browser, you'll notice the title has transformed into a Ride Request App. And if we inspect the page within the head tag, you'll find our newly updated description right here. It's a simple tweak that can significantly enhance your web application's identity and search engine visibility. All right? Now, let's explore the remaining files within this app folder. One of them is the favicon, which we won't delve into at the moment. Instead, let's open the global.css file. Any styles you define in this file will be applied universally across all pages. in the layout.js file, you'll find it imported right at the top. Additionally, there are these 3 crucial Tailwind CSS imports. They play a vital role in seamlessly integrating Tailwind CSS into our Next.js project. Let's take an interesting step here. How about we clear everything else in the global CSS file, keeping only these 3 lines, and see the result. There you go. The grayish background color has vanished, showing the immediate effect of our change. It's a glimpse into how CSS customization can quickly transform the look and feel of your Next.js application. Let's have a little fun for testing purposes. How about we experiment with global styles for our H1 elements? How about giving all the H1 elements in the app a red color? Take a look. Pretty awesome, right? In the next lesson, we'll venture into the intriguing realms of routing and components. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in our journey with Next.js.